Right, the Penang Road Transport Department reported a high level of compliance with seatbelt regulations among drivers and passengers of express and tour buses in the state. Director Zulkifli Ismail stated that this was based on findings from a special operation launched on Tuesday to identify violations following the enforcement of the new directive. During the operation, 125 express buses and 43 tour buses were inspected, with 3 summonses were issued, 1 to a driver and 2 to passengers for not wearing their seatbelts. Speaking after the seatbelt enforcement operation at Penang Central Bus Terminal last night, Zulkifli said the department deployed undercover officers as bus passengers to detect offenders discreetly.
Pada saya satu pencapaian lah dengan kerjasama yang baik daripada pengusaha bas dan juga penumpang-penumpang lah. So JPJ Negeri Pulau Pinang turut menyeru kepada pemandu dan pengusaha kenderaan perkhidmatan awam yang terlibat agar memastikan kenderaan masing-masing dilengkapi sistem tali pinggang keledar yang berfungsi dengan baik. Selari dengan keperluan keselamatan semasa, kepada penumpang dinasihatkan supaya sentiasa memakai tali pinggang keledar sepanjang perjalanan bagi memastikan keselamatan terjamin selamat.
The full enforcement of seatbelt regulations for express and tour bus aligns with the Motor Vehicles Seatbelt and Child Restraint Systems Rule 1978 Amendment 2008.